Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your OPPO Pad Air. So to start we have to go to the Play Store, then look for the fax app. You will find a lot of time here. I'm always using the Easy Fax. Add the permissions to the camera into the files is necessary, and now click on the plus and choose source of your document. I'm gonna pick something from a gallery, like this one, and now click import. Of course you can select more than one picture. Now you can add this shape to your document. And if you're ready, click go. And then choose the filter for your photo to make it more visible for your receiver. And you can add a signature, text and graffiti by these icons. If you're ready, click accept. Type the number here and choose the country from the list. If you want, give a small note, do it here. If you want to add more documents, maybe from the other source, just click on the plus and do it like before. If you want to send the documents from this list, just click on this button, buy your credits or just get it free, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.